Hey everyone, this is Kai, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install scripts within your sub account. And also, what's the difference between option 1 and option 2 that you see in our tutorials, right? What's the difference, Kai, between script 1 and script 2? That's what I'm going to teach you in this video, so stick with me until the end. So let's get started. When you enter our landing page, right there on estevam.chat, there's a little toggle jumping on the right side which takes you straight to our tutorials. And here you can follow everything about our tool, how to install the scripts, what the difference is between one script and another. However, a lot of people still have questions, so our goal is to bring you more videos and explanations both on YouTube, in the tutorials, and in the community, so you can have a better understanding, okay? So let's get to it. Kai, the question is, what's the difference between this initial script, option 1, and the second script? The name itself already says it, right? This one we install for all sub accounts. So if I have 10 sub accounts under me and I want to install Istivum's scripts for all of them, I use these scripts here. Perfect. Now, Kai, I want to install these scripts only for some sub accounts because there are some that don't use Istivum, and that's totally fine. So I install this biggest script here. Perfect. Now, Kai, what does each script do? What is each script for? We have several scripts, and each one has its own function. So one is for recording and sending audio. Another is our menu with the main features. Another is the voice call, which is our famous voice feature. Another is the script, which we call the toolkit, used for reacting, replying, and editing messages. Another is the translate script, which lets you translate what you're writing in real time into another language. Another is the official API script. Another is the script that lets you add buttons right there without having to go elsewhere. In our menu on our other page to create the button, so we've already added this as a script inside GHL for you. Very easy. You create the button, save it, and send it whenever you find it convenient. And the most recent script, which is the summary, which we use specifically so you can understand the context of that conversation in case you don't. If you've lost track or want to understand the context of your client's latest conversations, you just need to type hashtag summary in the chat or even use the script. You can do this by selecting the context window you want, choosing the time period, and so on. So here are the scripts already installed. As I mentioned, we have the translate, which is the one I talked about, right? The official API button where you can add your templates, launch campaigns, and everything else. Here is the switch script, which is the little switch menu where you can choose which number you will use to send this message. Here is the summary, where you select the context window, the period for this context window, whether it's 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and which language you want to generate this summary in. Whether it's in Portuguese, English, Spanish, French, Italian, or German, you can also choose it here. This little script here is simply for you to update the client's photo and also update their name. If the client has changed their photo, you can update it. Even though this happens automatically, you can also do it manually. This one is for sending audio without our tool, without our scripts. You can send audio within high level, so Estevam also came up with a solution to solve this problem for you. Here are the standard snippets, but in general, these are our scripts. There's also the button here that I mentioned. You can create your own button here. So you choose the button name, what type of button you want to generate, whether it's a URL, a call, pics, and so on. And you enter the information for this button, and it will automatically generate this button down here for you as well. Click save, and then you can send it whenever you want. So here, I already have some buttons saved. So for example, if I want to send the finance button, I can just click here to send it. If I want to send the support one, I can come here and send it, and it will automatically send the code. And it will also arrive as a button. This is something that doesn't exist in high level itself. Within Estivum, you can do this. Send as a button and also receive as a button. I think that's basically it. Now I'm going to teach you how you can install these scripts in your GHL, how to do it. And it's very simple, but this is a very common question people have, which is, Kai, how do I install it if I'm not in agency mode, if my account isn't the owner? If you can't switch to agency view, you can't change your scripts. Only the owner of the account can make changes. In other words, the person from whom you bought your high level. So if this option doesn't appear, you can't make changes. Perfect. So first step, I want to change the scripts and I'm in agency mode. Agency. Perfect. If you're not, you need to ask that person to do it for you. Now, if you are, just come here to your sub account and click on switch to agency mode view. Did you click to switch to agency mode? You'll go down here. In settings, click on company and white label. Scroll down a little and here you'll find custom JS. This is where you will insert the scripts. So you'll come here inside Estevam, go to scripts version 3, okay? Always V3 because V1 was for the old chat, for those who still use the old GHL conversation. But if I'm not mistaken, it's already been discontinued. We can even remove it. And then you copy it. Kai, I want to install it for all my sub accounts, so I'll copy this one. Kai, I want to install it only for some sub accounts, then I'll copy this one. And as the script itself says, here I'll put the location ID of the sub account I want. Kaya, what is this? What is the location ID? Let's go. We'll teach you that too. No problem. We'll open it again. High level, okay? Open it inside your sub account so you can find out what your location ID is. Then you'll come here to settings and company profile. In the company profile, you'll see location ID here. You copy your location ID and then you paste your location ID here. Okay, guys? So your location ID, it has to be in here. And here you enter the account name. Saint Hub, Estiva Chop. I don't know, Marisia 123. You write it there, it can be different. However, it has to be exactly as it is here. Location ID, the name of the sub account. Perfect. So, Kai, all good. I'm going to install it. How do I do it now? You copied your code. You opened it here inside JS custom where I showed you that you need to go. You just come here and paste the scripts, okay? Paste the scripts. What do I do, Kaio? Click on save changes and everything will show up in conversation for you. I don't have access to agency view. Ask the person you bought Go High Level from to make this change for you. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. The video is very simple, very straightforward, and shows in an easy way how you can change the scripts inside High Level. So you can use it at its full potential with everything we have to offer. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.